So the next step in our course is to install log sources. So the first log sources that we're going to create is a firewall. Firewall create a lot of logs, and it's a good example for us to search and to see network activity inside our SIEMs. So I will install, of course, OPNsense. It's a free firewall, and I think it will be great to install it and show the installation process for you if you want to create your own lab, or maybe to try it in your own home, or maybe try it in your work. So now we will install OPNsense. And so when you download in OPNsense, consider these settings. AMD64, there's no other options. There is option to VGA and serially for only for a command line, and VGA it's coming .img like a install system. But if you want to do it on your own server, you have to do it with a VMware or a VirtualBox. So select the DVD option, and it will give you ISO files, so you can download and install. So this will be the correct option for you if you want to install it. So after we downloaded the file, we need to create a new machine. So let's call it OPNsense. Okay, and we select the right facility, give it some RAM and some CPU. We need to power, and in here you need 8 GB of RAM, and I give it a little bit more. We need at least 60 GB. I give it a 100. Okay, let's finish it. And we need to set up our network connection. So first network connection will be to the outside, and the second network connection will be to our NOT, the inside the network for the other virtual machine. So we need to know that this is enabled. So this one enable and this one enable, and virtual cover is connected. And okay, so let's start the machine. So our machine is up and running. And yeah, as we can see, the setup is starting. So yeah, version importer, and now is one to know where it's gonna get where it's going to import. So it's CD0. Or you just click it and it will be fine. We don't have any things to import. Okay, so no and no. The one will be EM0, and the LAN will be EM1. And we don't have another optional interface, so we finish. Yes, I want to continue. So yeah, starting all the services and configuring everything that you need. Everything looking fine. So yeah, the system is up and running. So next time that I will see you, it will be in the web page of the system. So yeah, the login is, of course, it's like it's considered here. It's our root and OPNSE and SE. So we are in, and as you can see, we got our IP and everything working. So from this situation, the system is installed and up and running. And this is the installation of the system. And next time that I will see you, we will configure it inside, and we'll go to the web page of the system inside a Windows machine. So see you in the next one. Bye, guys.